How can you control gluconeogenesis? Have you ever wondered how your body makes glucose when you are not eating carbohydrates? This process is called gluconeogenesis, and it plays a key role in a ketogenic diet. So, how can you control gluconeogenesis effectively? Let's break it down. Gluconeogenesis is the way your body produces glucose from non-carbohydrate sources like amino acids and glycerol. This is especially important when you are on a low-carbohydrate diet or fasting. The good news is that the rate of gluconeogenesis is quite stable. Even if you eat more protein, it does not lead to a big increase in glucose production. Hormones are a big part of how gluconeogenesis is regulated. Insulin and glucagon are the main players here. When insulin levels are low and glucagon levels are high, which often happens on a ketogenic diet, your body starts producing more glucose. This is because certain enzymes that promote gluconeogenesis become active. On a ketogenic diet, gluconeogenesis actually increases compared to when you eat a standard diet. The glucose produced is mainly used to feed tissues that need it, like red blood cells and parts of the brain. It also helps prevent dangerously low blood sugar levels and replenishes glycogen stores in your liver and muscles. Interestingly, any excess glucose made during this process is often stored as glycogen instead of being used right away. To control gluconeogenesis, managing your carbohydrate intake is essential. When you lower your carbohydrate consumption, your body compensates by increasing gluconeogenesis. On the flip side, if you eat more carbohydrates, your body will not need to produce as much glucose. Protein intake also plays a role. While protein can provide the building blocks for gluconeogenesis, eating a moderate amount on a ketogenic diet does not significantly increase glucose production. If you consume too much protein, it could theoretically lead to more glucose being made, but your body has a way of keeping this process in check. Fasting or intermittent fasting can also help manage gluconeogenesis. During these periods, your body balances glucose production from stored glycogen and gluconeogenesis. If you fast for a longer time, gluconeogenesis increases, but so does ketone production, which reduces the need for glucose. For those following a ketogenic diet, here are some practical tips. First, keep your carbohydrate intake low to support stable gluconeogenesis and maintain ketosis. Second, consume a moderate amount of protein to provide necessary substrates without overstimulating glucose production. Third, consider intermittent fasting or time-restricted eating to help your body adapt and manage gluconeogenesis effectively. Remember, gluconeogenesis is a natural process that helps meet your energy needs during times of carbohydrate restriction. By managing your carbohydrate and protein intake, you can support your body's ability to produce glucose when needed without causing excessive fluctuations.